On our Chinese New Year table, there's always one bright red dish for good luck. Red means happiness, luck, and celebration in Chinese culture. Today I'm making sweet and sour braised shrimp, a classic family favorite. Both kids and adults love it. Let me show you how to make it. First, prepare the shrimp. Pat them dry with paper towels. Chop some ginger, garlic, and green onions. The sauce is simple but important. Salt, sugar, and ketchup. Add some water and mix well. Pan-fry the shrimp until they turn pink and lightly golden. Pour in the sauce and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Then turn off the heat and reduce the sauce until it's thick and glossy. And it's done. The sauce is tangy, slightly sweet, and full of flavor. The shrimp are juicy and tender, coated in this beautiful red glaze. This dish isn't just delicious, it's also a way to share blessings with family and guests. Happy Lunar New Year! Bye!